Salam. Today for my lunch, I decided to have some Kuku Sabzi. So I decided to share the process and the recipe with you. You can make it yourself and share it with me whether you like it or no. As usual, I will say the Persian equivalent of the important words and phrases for you. These are the ingredients of Kuku Sabzi. The vegetables of Kuku Sabzi, I will tell you what's included in. The spices are pepper, black pepper, powder of black pepper, in Persian, فلفل سیاه, turmeric, زرچوبه, and salt, نمک. Here we have some flour, ard, and in some oil, روغن. Here you can have some walnut, گردو. It's optional. You can have in your Kuku Sabzi or no. Also, we have some barberry. Barberry in Persian, زرشک. Barberry and walnuts are optional. And 2 eggs, 2 تا تخم مرغ. The main part of this food, Kuku Sabzi, is its vegetables. Vegetables in Farsi is sabzi. Sabzi kuku. The vegetables of kuku included for 1 kilogram of the vegetables of sabzi kuku, 250 grams coriander, geshniz, 50 grams of tarragon, tarkhun, 100 grams garlic, sir, 350 grams leek, tare, 200 grams parsley, jafari, and 50 grams of dill, shevid. The most complete mixture of these vegetables are these. You can omit one of them or 2 of these vegetables. It depends on your taste. Those amounts that I told you before was for 1 kilogram vegetables, but here I only have 500 grams vegetables. So the amounts of spice, eggs, and oils and vegetables are only for 500 grams of sabzi kuku. In English, vegetables of Kuku Sabzi. In Iran, there are some shops and stores that you can go and buy these vegetables ready-made. You can go to the stores and say, "Hello ma'am, hello sir, can you give me 1 kilogram of sabzi kuku?" And they say, "Sure, yes, here you are." And you have this ready-made, and these vegetables are ready-made also. If you don't have Iranian shops in your country, you have to make them and chop them like this yourself. But if you can find any Persian or Iranian shops, you can buy sabzi kuku, forma sabzi, or other vegetables for the other foods. You can buy them ready-made in those stores. Add the vegetables, sabzi, in the bowl. Bowl in Persian is kase. Add the eggs, تخم مرغ, الان باید ادویه ها رو اضافه کنم.
یه ذره هم بزن.
Mix them. هم میزنیم in Persian. Now we add the spice. Spice in Persian is adviye. Turmeric, زرچوبه, pepper, فلفل سیاه, salt, نمک.
Black pepper.
At this part, I will add the flour, ard in Persian, into my mixture. But this is optional. When you add this amount, a liter flour in your mixture, it will give you a smooth and a uniform kuku. Okay, it won't fall apart from each other when you want to lift it from your pan and put the other side to fry. Okay, so I add the flour. As I said before, walnuts, gerdu, and barberry, zereshk, are not necessary in your kuku sabzi, but you can add it if you like it. So I like walnuts, and I will add into my so when we mix the mixture and it turns like this, we can add, now we add the oil in the pan. Now, if you like your kuku becomes thin, you should choose a bigger pan like my pan. But if you want it to become thick, you should choose a smaller pan. Now we put on the stove until it fries. Now put it on the stove and put the lids on and let it fry. While our kuku sabzi is frying on the pan, you can serve your kuku with some salads, or some people have them with yogurt. Yogurt in Persian, mast, salad in Persian, salad. The name of this kind of salad, which I want to make now, is salad Shirazi. It consists some cucumbers, in Persian, khiyar, tomatoes, Persian, goje farangi, and onion, Persian, piyaz. You have to peel them and chop them. After that, black pepper, felfel siyah, salt, namak, and dried mint, nana khoshk, and some lime juice, ab limu. It's up to you. You can add black pepper, or no, you can omit dried mint. But if you want to have a complete mixture with a good taste and good smells, you have to add these spices that I introduced to you. Okay, now let's do this. Now I want to peel the cucumbers. In Persian, خیار رو پوست میکنم. پوست کندن is to peel. Now we chop the cucumbers. In Persian, خیارا رو خورد میکنیم.
خیلی هلهلکی داری چیز میکنی. نه اب نداره. کچه گذاشته بودی روش.
Now we chop the tomatoes. حالا گوجه فرنگی ها رو خورد میکنیم. Now we chop the onions. پیاز ها رو خورد میکنیم. Okay, now after we chop the cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions, we mix them and add the salt, peppers, and dried mints. Black pepper, namak, salt, nana khosh, dried mint. Finally, add the lime juice. Now I taste it. Everything is enough. It's better to let it rest for 10 minutes. After 15 minutes, I turn over the kuku. At this time, when you turn over the kuku, don't put the lids on and let it fry the other side for 10 minutes. Okay guys, now our Kuku Sabzi is ready. You can serve it with some salad Shirazi, and have it with some bread. Some people have Kuku Sabzi with rice. In Persian, they make a special rice. Its name is Sabzi Polo, and they have Kuku Sabzi with Sabzi Polo. But I like and I prefer Sabzi Polo with bread, noon.
I have two. It's better. No, prefer.
I'm on diet. It's been a week that I'm on a diet, but no, I always have Kuku Sabzi with bread, noon. I never have with rice. And this beautiful design, this beautiful and delicious Kuku Sabzi, my share of this is only 100 grams with 80 grams bread and only 120 grams of this salad.
She's lying.
No. I hope you enjoyed this video and make it yourself. Please tell me whether you like it or no. Okay, see you in the next videos. Goodbye. Khadafez. Here you are.
Thank you so much. How much is it?
I don't know.